Here I am here at an undisclosed port where I'm here to pick up my not new, but my used Japanese vehicle.
Toyota Century for the win!
I came in expecting to be able to pick it up, but the first thing that happens is they said, you can't pick it up yet because everyone's on lunch. Mind you, it's 11:43 in the morning and they're telling me I have to wait till 1 o'clock to come and pick up my vehicle. So, I'm gonna have myself a little fun. Look at all the wonderful new vehicles. Mustangs that you probably have never seen. Customized, brand new, right off the lot from somewhere. I don't know if these are getting shipped out or what, but they are beautiful, magnificent. So I asked the guy if I can walk around. He said, have fun. So that's what I'm doing. Look at that Mustang. I don't know if these are, what, 2020? Let's take a look at this. It says retail. Doesn't say the year that I can see. But if anyone can figure that stuff out from the vending, you can figure it out. Oh, wow. Wait. Is this a right-hand drive Mustang? Get out of here. Whoa, I've never seen that before. This probably is going to Japan or something. Look at that. The switches. Beautiful. Plastic still on it, guys. Right-hand drive. Where's this going? 2020. Salome. I don't know. Fuel consumption. It's in liters. It looks like a Japanese interval. Wow. Export New Zealand. Look at that. So that's where these things are going. Let's take a look at this. EcoBoost 2020. It is cold out here as well. So whoever's into Mustangs, you're gonna have yourself a treat. New Zealand as well. New exhaust. Look at that. Ambient lighting. EcoBoost Coupe. Right hand side. I knew nothing of a right hand side Mustang. Look at this. Tractors. From afar. Bandit, the Beast. All these things. I wonder where my car is. I have no idea. So I'll just sit here and wait and just look at all the beautiful Mustangs. Look at that. But hey, I got an hour and a half to waste, so I might as well have a little fun. What kind of tires we have on these? 19-inch 40 series tires. Wow, in New Zealand? Now I see why you guys have so many car forums. You guys love these cars. Wow. These beautiful cars. Alright guys, let me head back. I don't see my car, so I'm just gonna have to sit and wait. Thanks for joining. Here it is, guys. I was able to pick up the car. It was pretty easy to do here. And here is the Toyota Century, guys. 1992.